All right, we're back in the saddle here for our last push. So here we're coming up to yet another cutting. Surprise, surprise. I've seen lots of cuttings today. Always keeping my eyes out to see if I can see something new. All right, and so here we're going to stop again because we have unusually we have there it is. We have a telegraph pole, but this one's on the, I don't know how it ended up on the south side of the grade. So we're going to hop down and take a look at that. All right, we're down here just below the grade on the south side, and we have kind of a really neat find. We actually have a double telegraph pole, so there's actually two cross beams on there, and it's loaded with insulators. You can see most of them are all Dominion 42s right here, and then you can see there's ones in below down here, and some up here as well, and you can see a whole bunch of other ones over here. But what's really neat is we actually have I believe these are 143s. These are very rare. You don't really see these ones very often, so it's kind of really neat to see that. Usually these things are picked over. I don't know, because it's got a little chip here at the bottom. Maybe that's why it's left. You can actually see the top part of another one over here. So again, this is kind of a really neat find, and to see all these insulators on this pole. So anyway, so we're going to make our way back up to the grade. Okay, home run stretch here of our exploration. So the sun came out, it was like crazy sunny, and now we're back into sort of broken cloud again. I think this is going to be the story of today. So we do have a log down here on the grade. My younger days I would have jumped over that, but when you get a little older and you fall down, it's a lot harder to get back up. Tie plate there. So again, lots of debris, lots of ties. All right, so here, this open area will look familiar because we cross it quite often. This is the natural gas pipeline, and it's almost like it's a constant that we just kind of weave back and forth along the entire route. Down there, I think that's the beginning part of Wanagoo Lake. I believe this sign here is for the pipeline. Yeah, danger, high pressure pipeline. All right, so we've come to the conclusion of our exploration for today. There is a fairly large culvert that's way down. We're up on a pretty high embankment. You can hear the water running. we're not going to go explore it today. You can see how far down it is. It's a good 30 feet, 40 feet down there. We're not going to go explore it today because there's a lot of water, and there's kind of an interesting thing with this culvert, but we want to get it when it's sort of dry, and so we're going to leave that for the next exploration. And so we've done this section before. So this section basically goes from here all the way down to near where Paiute siding is, and mileage 56 road. And so we've done this before, but we're going to come back and redo this section. All right, so hopefully you've enjoyed today's exploration and all of the things that we've taken a look at here in the McKirdy area. And so as I mentioned, we're going to be back just as soon as we can with yet more explorations.